Good morning, James Hornsby, Miss Walsh here. You have been in lockdown now for 10 weeks, that's an awfully long time. Eventually, we'll be allowed outside again, and eventually we will return to a state of normality. So when you look back on your time in lockdown, how do you want to remember it? As a time you just spent on the PlayStation, staring at your phone, or as a time when you learnt a new thing that you never thought you'd be able to master? As a time when you learnt a new skill that you continue to use for the rest of your life? Hopefully, we'll never be in this position again. So when we've got this opportunity right now, I want to make sure that you are using it in the best way that you can. Your teacher's uploading work onto Google Classroom every single day. We're covering your academic side. But what I want you to focus on is other skills that you wish to learn. Perhaps you want to learn a language. Perhaps you want to learn how to cook. There's so many different things that you could be learning right now that I don't want you to waste this opportunity. In today's assembly, I'm going to show you where you can go to learn those different skills. I'm going to show you different web pages and apps and things that you can use to help develop whatever skill it is that you want. And hopefully you feel like you've not wasted your time in lockdown. So the first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to show you how you could learn another language. So the first thing I'm going to show you is an app called Duolingo. It uses listening exercises, flashcards and multiple choice questions to drill you on words and phrases. You can learn any language that you want. Spanish, Italian, German, they're all on there. And the best thing about it is that it's free. It will show you lots of little key phrases and revise them with you at any point that you want. You just go on the app and scroll through. Another language you might be interested in learning is sign language. On the Sense website at the moment, they are offering free sign language lessons. You just watch the videos and practice along. It's as simple as that. Perhaps it's not a language that you have any interest in learning though. Perhaps you've always wanted to learn first aid and never had the chance to. On the Future Learn website at the moment, they are offering a free course on basic first aid. First aid is such an important skill, and it could literally mean the difference between life and death for someone. Imagine being able to look back on your lockdown and think that something that I learnt then managed to save somebody else's life. You may have noticed that you are eating at home a lot more in lockdown. That someone is cooking every single night. Cooking is such an easy skill to learn in lockdown. There are so many different online recipes and websites that you could use to help you. Now the website I'm going to show you today is called BBC Good Food. The website is full of all different recipes covering lots of different ingredients, meal times and even dietary restrictions. A skill I've had to pick up in lockdown is cooking. I've never enjoyed cooking and I've never been any good at it. But with all my favourite restaurants closed and minimal takeaways being offered, I've had to learn how to cook. And actually, I've really enjoyed it. This is one of my favourite recipes from the website. Not only does it tell you what ingredients to buy and how to prepare it, but also it tells you the nutritional value of each meal. Underneath, there's a comment section where people can respond to how much they enjoyed the meal and any tips and pointers they may have. Have you ever lost a button off your favourite shirt and didn't know how to sew it back on and had to go running to somebody else to get you to help? The Stitch Sisters is an online class that gives lessons on how to sew. The two friends presenting are bubbly, friendly and extremely helpful. They have a website full of classes that are all currently either half off or completely free. They have online classes such as how to make a cactus pincushion and videos including how to install a zipper in a dress and how to thread a sewing machine. There's just so much on there you could learn. Hopefully you've found today's assembly informative and it's got you thinking about what you would like to learn whilst in lockdown. Now, you may not be interested in any of the skills that I've said, or you may already know how to do all of them. But the beauty of the internet is that there are so many people on there willing to impart their knowledge with you. All you have to do is Google it. Keep staying safe, James Hornsby, and I can't wait to see you all soon.